Algeria is a vast and beautiful country in North Africa. It is the largest country on the entire African continent. Imagine a place with a long, sun-kissed Mediterranean coastline, rugged green mountains, and the endless golden sands of the Sahara Desert. This incredible land holds an equally incredible world of food. The country's location has made it a crossroads for centuries. People and ideas have moved through here, and they all left something delicious behind. The story of Algeria is a story you can taste on a plate, a tale told through its unique and flavorful cuisine. This is a journey that will warm your soul. Algerian food is a wonderful mix of many cultures. It is a true culinary tapestry, woven with threads from different histories. The original Berber people gave the cuisine its earthy, foundational dishes. Arabs brought new spices and cooking methods. Ottomans brought delicate pastries. Ottomans brought complex stews. The French introduced breads. The French introduced sauces. Each layer of history added a new dimension, creating a cuisine that is complex, comforting, and completely its own special creation. At the very center of Algerian life, you will find family, and at the center of the family, you will find the kitchen. Hospitality is not just a custom here. It is a sacred duty and a source of great pride. When a guest arrives, they are treated like royalty. The best food is brought out, and the host makes sure their guest feels completely welcome and comfortable. This warmth is expressed through food and drink. You will be offered a glass of sweet mint tea, a gesture that says, "You are welcome in my home." Sharing a meal is the ultimate expression of this generous spirit. The flavors of Algeria are built on a foundation of key ingredients. Olive oil, golden and fragrant, is the lifeblood of the cuisine, used for cooking, dressing salads, and drizzling over bread. Lamb and chicken are the most beloved meats, often slow-cooked until they are incredibly tender. Cumin brings an earthy warmth. Coriander adds a citrusy note. Paprika gives color and sweetness. Cinnamon provides a hint of exotic spice. These elements come together to create a flavor profile that is robust, aromatic, and deeply satisfying. The country's diverse geography means that the food changes as you travel. Along the Mediterranean coast, the cuisine is light and fresh. You will find an abundance of seafood, grilled fish seasoned with lemon and herbs, and bright, flavorful salads. Move inland to the mountains, and the food becomes heartier. Here, people use wild herbs, goat meat, and rich olive oils to create rustic and comforting dishes. Venture south into the vast Sahara Desert, and the cuisine adapts to the harsh environment. Dates, camel milk, and dried meats become staples, cooked in simple yet ingenious ways to preserve flavor and nutrients. One ingredient unites the entire country: couscous. These tiny grains of steamed semolina are more than just a food. They are a national symbol. The art of making couscous is passed down through generations. The grains are carefully rolled by hand and steamed multiple times until they are light, fluffy, and separate. This process takes time and skill, a true labor of love. Couscous is the centerpiece of Friday family lunches and celebratory feasts. It represents togetherness, abundance, and the enduring connection to Berber roots. It is the dish that says home to every Algerian, no matter where they are in the world. Let's dive into 5 famous dishes that form the pillars of Algerian cooking. First and foremost is couscous, the undisputed king of the table. Imagine a mountain of delicate, fluffy semolina grains that have been lovingly steamed to perfection. This soft bed is then generously topped with a rich, aromatic stew. The stew, or marca, is a slow-simmered marvel, often featuring tender chunks of lamb or chicken. It is filled with colorful vegetables like carrots, zucchini, turnips, and chickpeas, all swimming in a broth fragrant with saffron, ginger, and black pepper. Eating couscous is a communal act, a dish that brings everyone together. Next, we have chorba, a soup that warms the body and comforts the soul. This is the quintessential starter, especially during the holy month of Ramadan when it is used to break the daily fast. Chorba is a light yet incredibly flavorful soup, with a rich tomato base and small pieces of lamb or chicken. What makes it special is fric, cracked green wheat, or vermicelli pasta, which gives the soup its hearty texture. A handful of fresh cilantro and mint, added at the end, gives chorba its signature aroma. Then there is recta, a dish that looks as beautiful as it tastes. Very fine noodles from simple flour and water are steamed until soft and light. Served with a gentle white sauce of chicken and chickpeas, sometimes turnips or zucchini. Delicately spiced with cinnamon and black pepper, elegant and refined. A festive dish for weddings, religious holidays, and special gatherings. No tour is complete without merguez. Spicy, vibrant sausages made from lamb or beef. Fired by harissa, cumin, coriander, and garlic. Irresistible on the grill. Finally, we come to mechoui, the ultimate dish for a grand celebration. A whole lamb, seasoned with salt, pepper, sometimes garlic and butter, slow roasted over an open fire or in a pit oven for hours. The meat becomes incredibly tender, the skin crisp and golden. Presenting a mechoui is a sign of great honor and hospitality. It is a feast for the eyes and the stomach. The true soul of Algerian cuisine is found not in fancy restaurants, but in the everyday meals cooked at home. These are the dishes that are passed down, from grandmothers to mothers to daughters, each family adding its own secret touch. Breakfast is often simple and comforting. Kezra dipped in olive oil or apricot jam, with strong coffee with milk or sweet mint tea. Lunch is the main meal, often a stew, tagine or joise, simmered for hours. A lamb tagine with sweet prunes and almonds balances savory and sweet. On Fridays, many families prepare a large platter of couscous to share. Dinner is lighter, perhaps leftovers, a simple chorba or salad and bread. Every region has its specialties: coastal seafood and French-influenced bakeries in Algiers, rustic Kabylie olive oil, wild herbs and breads, Sahara tagwella baked in hot sand with stew. Celebrations center on food, aid sweets like makraout and gribia, and grand dishes like recta and mechoui. Beyond the famous dishes, Algerian cuisine holds many wonderful surprises that can delight and, intrigue a curious visitor. Some dishes use parts of the animal that show a deep respect for not wasting anything. One such dish is bakbouka, a hearty and rustic stew made from lamb tripe and offal, cleaned meticulously, then slow-cooked in a rich, spicy tomato sauce with chickpeas and vegetables. Long cooking makes it tender, with deep, complex flavor. In the Sahara, you might be offered fresh camel milk, slightly saltier and richer, and very nutritious. Dried meat, guedded, salted, spiced, sun-dried, has preserved flavor for centuries and adds smoky depth to stews. Bouzalouf, steamed sheep's head seasoned with cumin and garlic, can be intimidating. Yet the cheek meat tastes rich, similar to slow-cooked lamb. Trying these dishes connects you more deeply with the culture. Even sweets can surprise. Tamina, semolina toasted in butter until nutty, mixed with honey, decorated with cinnamon, served warm with a soft, spoonable texture, often for a newborn celebration. To truly feel the pulse of Algerian food culture, you must walk through its streets and markets. The souk is a feast for the senses. Cumin, coriander, olives piled high, fresh mint, and lively calls and haggling. Bakeries are essential. Daily fresh bread, French-style baguette, soft round kobs el dar, and denser kezra. Warm bread is a daily joy. Street food sizzles, merguez sausages, lamb brochettes, often tucked into baguette with spicy harissa. Karantika, a savory chickpea flan, soft inside, golden on top, is beloved in Oran. The importance of couscous in Algeria cannot be overstated. It is more than just a dish. It is a cultural institution and a candidate for UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage List. The traditional preparation is an art form. Women gather to hand-roll the grains, a social ritual that strengthens community bonds, often using a couscousier. Sharing a large platter is believed to bring baraka, blessings, to the family. Bread is a cornerstone of daily life, so valued that throwing it away is disrespectful. Stale bread is repurposed. The daily trip ensures fresh bread, baguette and traditional flatbreads at every meal. Tea culture is hospitality itself. Green tea with abundant mint and sugar, poured from height to crown a foamy top. Making and serving tea is a ceremony to slow down, talk, and show friendship and respect. Many recipes aren't written. They live in the memories and hands of mothers and grandmothers. Children learn to balance spices, knead dough, and know when a stew is perfect. Chorba and couscous, each family's version carries generations of love. Let's imagine a typical day of eating in Algeria. A gentle breakfast, warm khobz el dar with olive oil, cheese, or apricot jam. Strong coffee with milk or sweet mint tea. Lunch is the main event. Jawaz stews with chicken or lamb and seasonal vegetables, scooped with plenty of fresh bread. On Friday, a magnificent couscous piled with tender meat and vegetables perfumes the home. Dinner is lighter. Chorba with a simple salad dressed in olive oil and lemon, or just leftovers and fresh bread. Throughout the day, mint tea to welcome guests or aid digestion. Fresh orange juice, seasonal fruit like melons, oranges, or dates, and on special days, baklava or comforting tamina. Algerian cuisine is so much more than just a collection of recipes. It is a living history book, a story told through flavor, spice, and shared meals. From ancient Berber grains to Ottoman-inspired pastries and French baguettes, each dish echoes the past. The food reflects the land, the Mediterranean's bounty, rustic mountain herbs, and the resilient sweetness of desert dates. To taste Algerian food is to taste the rich and layered identity of the nation. Its magic lies in warmth and generosity, food meant to be shared, food that brings people together. From chorba on the stove to mechoui at a wedding, to the simple act of offering mint tea, these are expressions of love and community. The Algerian table invites you to slow down, savor the moment, and connect. Food that nourishes body and soul. We have smelled the spices, seen the vibrant markets, and imagined the taste of slow-cooked stews and perfectly steamed couscous. Food marks the rhythm of the day, the seasons, and life's biggest moments. From simple street bread to elaborate feasts, every bite tells a story of tradition, family, and place. The flavors are bold, the ingredients honest, and the spirit incredibly welcoming. Seek out an Algerian restaurant, befriend a family, or try making a simple chorba at home. Be adventurous and taste something new. Discover comforting, flavorful, heartfelt Algerian cuisine. Which Algerian dish would you most like to try?